PEEK is a new kind of semi-crystalline aromatic thermoplastic engineering plastics developed in the late 1970s, which is recognized as one of the best thermoplastic materials in the world. PEEK has been widely used in the fields of national defense, aerospace, medical artificial spine, precision machinery, and other high-tech fields because of its excellent comprehensive properties, such as high strength, high modulus, wear resistance, and low water absorption. These are so far machining center spindle angular contact ball bearings, commonly used in the three cage materials. First, polyamide, nylon 46, has excellent high temperature resistance, can withstand more than 200 degrees temperature, and generally used glass fiber composite. Secondly, mechanical strength, toughness, and wear resistant, size stability, corrosion resistance. Electrical insulation performance of the Bakelite is excellent. When used as cage material, generally use synthetic fiber cloth as filler. Finally, PEEK has high heat resistance, high strength, high modulus, high toughness, good processing properties, and other excellent comprehensive properties. As a cage material is generally used when carbon fiber composite. By contrast, PEEK's high strength allows for more rolling ball filling and lays the foundation for outstanding TIMG bearing performance. Although the cage was designed to be circular, after manufacturing, it will not be a true circle due to the accumulation of various errors. In static state, they can all meet the requirements of factory roundness. When rotating at high speed, the deformation of Bakelite and nylon is larger, which will exceed our roundness limit. The deformed cage will pull and interfere with the normal operation of the rolling elements, which will generally cause the temperature rise, vibration, and abnormal sound, and eventually lead to the failure of the bearing. From this deformation nephogram, we can see that the deformation of PEEK is only 1/5 of that of the other two kinds, and the high deformation resistance improves the accuracy of NRRO, so as to improve the machining accuracy of the machine tool. The mechanical strength and elastic modulus of the Bakelite, compared with PEEK, are small, and the Bakelite cage commonly used in ultra-high-speed motorized spindle bearings is generally straight-through lubrication design. At present, TIMG's bearing cage has obtained international patents from Taiwan of China, Germany, and Japan. The TIMG cage is designed with an enclosed lubrication that allows for a smaller gap between the rolling elements. In other words, under the same ball diameter design, PEEK cage can bear more the number of rolling elements and achieve multi-ball design and small fluctuations in radial rigidity, so that the processing texture better. In the industry, many bearing brands generally use PEEK as the main material to produce cage and mechanical spindle bearings with grease lubrication. They believe that PEEK cage cannot be used in electric spindle bearings mainly lubricated with oil air, because it is widely believed that grease stays in the required place through oil storage tanks and other designs. It is this design that hinders oil air from entering the electric spindle bearings, resulting in the electric spindle bearings not being suitable for grease lubrication, which in turn leads to the electric spindle bearings with grease lubrication not being suitable for PEEK cage. After extensive data collection and computational simulation analysis, TIMG bearing has strengthened the simulation of the movement path of oil droplets with airflow during high-speed motion of PEEK cage, and designed PEEK cage that meet both oil-air lubrication and grease lubrication requirements for ultra-high speed electric spindles.